Welcome to Lantern Ink. I'm Heather Searcy. We're here to show you a color separation process and printing a multicolor job. Come on in.
Hi, my name's Ginger and I'm print shop manager at Lantern Ink, and today we're going to do a 5-color separation in Photoshop. First thing we're going to do is we're going to make a white base. Select it. I'm going to expand it to allow it for a trap. And hit this little camera looking button over here and it makes me a channel, and then I select it 100% opacity and then select the color that I want, which in this case it is white. And then you create your white base, and you do the same thing with every color. You pick your red, select, inverse, and then hit your button and you will have your red base. Continue on to do that with each color until you have them all. You put your shirt color in there, and then you have what you're going to be printing.
Hey guys, this is Justin with Lantern Ink, and right now we're just showing you how to just put on some carriers on a piece of film. This is a real important process because if you don't do it just right, it won't come out properly on the tri-lock out there on the press. Of crosshairs on each set of film. Right now we've got 3 or 4 up here, and what we do is we take the carriers, lay them up here on the film, and then we use this lit up table so we can see each one little crosshair. We put one piece of film down, put a piece of tape down to get it stuck in place, and then we put the next one on top of it and make sure these crosshairs are just perfect, and then retape the other one just to make sure that everything's lined up just perfect so we can put it out there on the press and make it print just right. All right, now we're going to burn this on our new burner here. This is our Starlight M&R. This is a great little piece of equipment right here. They've got these little spring-loaded tri-lock little system on here that's already set up to fit perfect on our press out there. And then if you look right here, you got this little, just basically like a light that'll help you in case you want to see any spots that are on there. If it's over the image, you want to get them off of there. This illuminates the whole thing so you can make sure everything's nice and clean before you burn it. All right, now we're just going to kind of blow out the excess emulsion after we run it through the burner so we can see the image nice and clear. I always like to make sure that I do the whole screen. I spray all the excess emulsion too, because some of it, once you run it through the burner, there's a little bit of excess that'll run through, and if you don't get it all sprayed off of there, it'll end up running into your image. All right, now it's just got to sit and dry, and once it's dry, we'll tape it up. It's really important to make sure you get it all the way down onto there, pushed on there nice and tight. This is the screen or the squeegee or flood bar ends up pushing on here. You want to make sure this tape is sticking real good. I like to get it nice and tight high up in the corners because the more flush you can get it, the better. All right, now we'll use masking tape for the other side. Now we're just going to do a once over just to make sure, look for any dots that are in here you don't want printing on your shirt. Just like that's it. We've got everything taped up on the screen here. We're going to go ahead and put it on our press. Obviously this is our white. You always start with your white base. This M&R Sportsman we just got in 2019 makes a huge difference on how fast we can our production. So we've got that in there. We want to put our squeegee and our flood bar on. This one you don't have to have any braces or anything like that. It's already built onto it, so it just slides right on. Usually when we start off these jobs, you always want to make sure to go lightest color to darkest. The main reason for that is when you run into your halftones, if you put, say, a black before a green or something like that, your halftones are going to come out wrong and it's not going to look right. You're going to have a green that may be supposed to look light green and end up looking dark green, or a red that needs to be darker or lighter. Like I said, if you don't put it in the right order from lightest to darkest, you'll have your image coming out wrong. We're gonna go ahead and just print start it. I've got everything set on auto, so all I have to do is raise this and do the print start button, and it takes care of the rest. All right, this is the end result of our 5-color process job here at Lantern Ink. Ends up looking awesome. Again, my name is Justin Stratton. Thanks for watching.